Wherever it has gone, it has left a lasting impression, not just on the roads, but on the minds of millions of motorcycle lovers. See it as a sign of respect or regard. Royal Enfield, the birth of a legend. From its original roots in Redditch, England, the Royal Enfield Bullet is now celebrating 50 years of manufacture in India. The Bullet Manufacturing Company started operations in the early 1950s as Enfield India Limited at the northern tip of Chennai. It was not just to produce another two-wheeler, but to start a revolution that would lead to an iconic reputation. Today, Royal Enfield, with prestigious certifications like ISO 9001 and ISO 14001, is part of the Aisha group of companies, making motorcycles for domestic and international markets like the USA, UK, Germany, Japan, and an increasing number of other countries. In-house manufacturing is focused on advanced technology to provide best value. Royal Enfield employs high-speed machining centres like Makino for finishing operations of critical components. The new modular machining centre enables model changes without wasting time. The result, a highly flexible manufacturing environment. Manual intervention like clamping and declamping in any of the machines has been replaced by low-cost clamping solutions across the machine shop for consistency and productivity. All the assemblies at Royal Enfield are on a single-piece flow line driven by a slat conveyor accommodating multi-model and smooth flow of operation. All assembly stages are built on the basis of consistency, flexibility and less fatigue for the operators for higher output. To enhance the process efficiency in assembly in critical areas, oil pulse tools are being used. A 3-coat, 1-bake acrylic painting system is employed. Also, electrostatic guns are deployed for better coverage and uniform thickness. Royal Enfield ensures 500 hours of salt spray resistance, which is the best in two-wheeler category. More chrome has become immensely popular among domestic customers and overseas buyers. The tri-nickel plating system with ultra-high filters for nickel plating ensures spot-free plating of parts. The Royal Enfield shop layout is flexible, streamlined, lean and geared up for future imminent expansion. Royal Enfield has moved from the conventional storage system like a central warehouse to the concept of the decentralised internal logistics cell. Mapping the complete process flow and placing a fully fledged material handling system throughout the company has helped to avoid excess inventory over the various stages. At Royal Enfield, quality is not a byproduct. It's the most important aspect of production. Quality control on production lines has reduced the defects per bike drastically. The self-certification by operators at the respective workstations has increased the ownership and the pride of the individual for a defect-free delivery to the next station. Royal Enfield has been pioneering the Japanese mistake-proof system called Poka-yoke in a big way. Over 150 Poka-yokes have been implemented. Support for the Poka-yoke system is now extended to our suppliers as well. This has resulted in 0 defects of parts at the customer end. Royal Enfield gives more emphasis on calibration system for all fixtures and tooling for consistent output. All testing inside the factory is done from the customer perspective. Every vehicle that is produced goes through a roller dynamometer. also go for a road test in a beautiful scenic testing track, roadworthiness and brake efficiency. This is supported by aggregate testing of engines, gearboxes and timing covers. Royal Enfield conducts a company-wide participation in the quality movement through the Kaizen principle. Focus on Kaizen has resulted in the attitudinal shift from work to improve to improve and work. The best Kaizen employee of the company gets recognition as CEO and is rewarded on a continual basis. Cumulative Kaizens have crossed the 25,000 mark. Royal Enfield has been driving the housekeeping concept for the overall upkeep of the plant through the Japanese 5S system. This has given enough reasons for employees to celebrate working for Royal Enfield. Total productive maintenance has been another initiative. Royal Enfield has reaped bits of TPM through overall equipment effectiveness at 81%. At Royal Enfield, all the employees join hands in the process as producer, inspector, and above all, as a customer, to give a pleasurable, trouble-free bike. The leading international survey, TNS, has rated Royal Enfield as having the best customer satisfaction score in the cruiser line. Our objective is to cruise forward to win many more recognitions and rewards as we surge ahead with new model development worldwide.